are going to love the 2017 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes with an automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, navigation system, remote engine start, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, traction control, stability control, power passenger seat, backup camera, tow hitch, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, floor mats, auto dimming rear view mirror, 4-wheel drive, aluminum wheels. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.